Hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have a very much interesting video for you guys. Now previously I uploaded a video about the how you can print from your Linux systems, and you appreciate the video a lot and thanks for it. And today I have come up with another video, and you already know that I am talking about the mobile printing, that is the printing from your mobile device. And you know it is much easier to carry mobile device than laptop or desktop. In this video I will tell you how you can easily print from your mobile device. Either you have a USB cable or you have some Wi-Fi enabled printer. So both in wired mode or wireless mode, this will be very much helpful. Suppose you have the printer of any brand, suppose HP or Canon or Brother, whatever the brand, this video will be the ultimate guide. Now what actually you have to do for the mobile printing? You need just one app, the one and only app, and that is called Nokoprint. Yes, Nokoprint is the ultimate software for you. And it is available in Google Play Store for Android devices and also in the Apple Store for iOS devices. And the benefits are a lot. Now, first of all, what you have to do? Suppose you have a USB cable, so you have to just connect your mobile phone to your printer through the USB cable. Or if your printer is Wi-Fi enabled, so just keep your phone and the printer in same Wi-Fi network. And suppose you have only your mobile phone and your printer, so you just open up the Wi-Fi hotspot from your mobile phone and then you connect the printer to it. That's all. After these things, you need to open up the Nokoprint application. Now first of all, let me tell you what are the benefits of this app. This is actually you can see a lot of image formats and document formats are supported, nearly anything. And also you have some advanced features like double-sided printing. Okay, so your both side will be print at once, of course if your printer supports that. And also you can see these are the supported printers. So actually I can tell you that almost every printer is supported. You can see this is the Google Play Store, and rating is excellent, 4.5 rating with 2.18 lakh reviews and 1 crore downloads. You can see this has excellent rating because this app is excellent. Only drawback is some ads you have to see, but you can get rid of this by giving a little money. Now this is the main interface. When you open up the app, you will see this, and the printer, it will automatically detect. Okay, so the connected printer will be automatically detected by the app and it will show in the up, you can see. And then you have to select either your photos or documents or web pages, and the preview will come. And here this is the setting icon. By clicking the setting icon, first you have to do all the settings of your printing, and then at last you have to press the print button. Now what are the settings you will get? A lot of settings are there. You can see how many copies and the pages, okay, odd pages, even pages, and multi-page printing, double-sided printing, this is very useful, size and layout, and paper and printing option. Now in the size and layout you will see these settings, and after doing all the settings you need to just click print and your page will be printed very easily. Now if you use the software for the first time, you will be asked to download the printing driver, and you should choose the generic driver because it is very small, suppose almost less than 2 MB of size, and in most of the cases this will work perfectly. If it doesn't work, then you have to go for the specific app specific or printer specific drivers. Okay, but most of the problems will be solved through the generic driver.